Welcome to Nenotech, and today we'll find our Wi-Fi password. So first of all, select Start on your Windows computer, Windows 10 or 11. Then from here you can just type Control Panel and you'll select the top result from the search, Control Panel. And here we go, we have our first result, Control Panel. So next thing, you can just go back so that you can select the network and internet. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see network and internet. This is what you select. Then from there you can select the network and sharing center. Network and sharing center. Then you'll select your Wi-Fi name, which is next to the connections. Select your Wi-Fi name and this dialog box will pop up. Here we go to the wireless properties. Select that wireless properties. It will pop up another dialog box whereby we'll select the security tab and show the characters of our checkbox. So select the security tab, then show characters. Check that box. That will give you your password, and there you go. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to this channel and leave a thumbs up, and also select the notification bell icon. Till next time, I'll see you in the next video.